Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, to beautiful song here from Alex Warren, Rescuer. We have this cool mix of melodies and strumming, and it's not that hard. It's actually harder than it sounds. Sorry, easier than it sounds. Very easy, actually. So let's move on with this tutorial. Before we do that, I need to settle down and focus on my thoughts. Yes, we have a new channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 years ago. I have a link up here, and I need your help, guys, to grow that channel because, yeah, I just want to, and I need your help. So if you appreciate my work here on this platform, Growing Guitar, then make sure you thank me in the way you go and subscribe to that channel, and that's the best thing you can do for me. So thank you so much in advance. Now let's focus on Alex Warren, Rescuer. All right, so capo high up on the 8th fret. It's the absolute best scenario to get the high notes to match up with the sound and get the easiest chords possible. So capo on there. Let's go through some chords. We're gonna play some variations of some standard chords of B minor, but without the bar. So you're gonna have this kind of B minor at 11. I think that is the technical name. So what you play here is not a bar, like I mentioned, or so you're gonna have just the index finger on the 2nd fret A. Normally it's a bar there, but now just 2nd fret A. Then you move on with the 4th D, 4th G, 3rd B, and the whole idea is to have that open E. That will be with us through the entire song, pretty much. So that's it. Now the D sus2, the same there. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and that open E. Then we have the G6. So 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and that open high E. Then we have the A sus4. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open high E again. And finally, we have that E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open high E. And there we have all the chords. Now let's start with that beautiful melody, and we have 3 patterns to learn here. It's based upon the B minor, the D sus, and G. So the B minor part goes like this. So I suggest you hold your ring finger on the 4th fret D, your little pinky right beneath there on the 4th fret G, and your mid finger on the 3rd fret B. Okay, there's a reason for that placings of fingers, so you kind of pyramid down and up. So you're gonna play the 4th D, 4th G, 3rd B, open high E, back to 3rd B, and 4th G. That is the pattern here for all these chords. So all right, next up is the D sus. So if you have that grip from B minor, you replace it with this. So you keep that mid finger and the ring finger on the same spot. You just let that little pinky go from the 4th fret G string and replace that with the index finger on the 2nd fret G string. Okay, you see that motion? The pattern is the same, so that gives us 4th D. Now the 2nd G, 3rd B, open high E, back to 3rd B, and 2nd G. And then you go over to this position. That is based upon the G, and it sounds like this. Okay, so what you keep there now from that D is only that mid finger on the 3rd fret B string. So keep that there, and then you go to this little pinky on the 5th fret D string, your ring finger now on the 4th fret G, and still that mid finger on the 3rd fret B. Then you go to the open high E and back to 3rd B and 4th G. That's a pattern for G. So yes, so that now goes B minor, 2 picking rounds, then the D, 2 picking rounds, and G4. So that gives us That is one round, so. Beautiful, right there. And that is what you need to play for the verse play. Then comes the chorus play. You're going to play, 2 rounds. So B minor 2, D2, and G4. 2 rounds of that chord progression. Now, you're going to go into the pre-chorus. Starts about 25 seconds in. Still picking pattern here. You're going to play now the G pattern for 2 rounds, the B minor for 2 rounds, and the D for 2 rounds. And then you just play the open A string as a bass plus a huge pause there, because that pause builds up for the chorus, and that open A rings out like this. Okay, so G2, B minor 2, D2, and 1 open A pick. All right, that takes us to the chords now. So what you're gonna play for chords is still in this first round. You have this picking pattern going on. So you're gonna play B minor 2, D2, G4. So in the same way as the verse, you're going to play that for 2 rounds. And then you're going to continue with that post-chorus part that comes right after. Oh, my rescuer, that's where he sings that. You just continue with that B minor 2, D2, and G4 for another 2 rounds. And that is the first round of everything now, guys. So verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and post-chorus. Now, in second, we come into that part where you can choose to go either to stay with that melody or to go into the strumming. If you go with strumming, then I'm going to give you the strumming pattern. And remember, the amount of times you're going to play for picking, you half amount of that time for the strumming. So if you go for picking 2 rounds of B minor, you play only 1 of these strumming rounds I'm going to give you right now. So now we need to focus on full chords, hold them as they are. So B minor, D, and G. That's what you're going to focus on now on the verse play for strumming. And it sounds like this. Okay, it's a pretty long one, but it's very simple. So if you grab the first chord, B minor, you're going to play down, up, down, up, down, up. So 3 times of down, up. And then on that 4th down, you replace that with a clap instead. And continue with up. And finish off with down, up, down, up. So basically, this is 6 down ups, okay? But the 4th down, you replace that with a clap. So down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, up. That is 1 string around. You cannot count all these down ups. You have to feel it. So you go slowly, practice. So Alright, so that is the way how to get it connected with the song and kind of feel when it's time to switch chords. So that is what you're going to do. You're going to follow the same round here for the verse play, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and even the second post-chorus part. So remember, half amount of times of the strumming is what you're going to play for this round if you compare that to the strumming rounds. Okay, so after that second post-chorus part comes a bridge, and that happens about 2 minutes and 5 seconds in after the second chorus. What you're gonna play now is E minor, and I suggest you go with strumming here. So E minor, 1 string around, G, 1 string around, B minor, 1, and the A sus 1. So it goes like this. And 2 rounds of that, okay? So after that bridge comes the third chorus, and that is twice as long as the other ones. Sorry for me picking a little bit stressed out, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, third chorus, it's twice as long, so 4 rounds of that, and then you have the outro left where you're gonna play that verse picking for 2 rounds, and that's the end, guys. Okay, so Alex Warren, Rescuer, a great song, powerful with some different techniques. Don't give up on the picking or strumming, it will come, I promise you, with some practice. So have fun, enjoy it, and play tuned.